If you want to do Christmas typography, you can check out my tutorial. First, choose a beautiful font. Create outline then and group. Take a circle and its 7 pieces. Place the circle on top and the font on the bottom. Use Envelope Distort. This way all your fonts change shape. All fonts will appear as a circle. I have many videos on typography. Please visit my channel and watch. Now go to Offset Path and make your font a bit thicker. Bolder font looks more beautiful. Place a circle under your text. Now open the Brushes panel. Create a circle pattern brush. Looks pretty good. Now we will prepare another pattern brush. I will also make a video for you on how to make a pattern brush. It will give a Christmas look. Thanks so much for watching.